Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is market update for September 24, 2020. First of all, let's look at the market. We look at the chart SPY daily chart. So let's take a look to see where we're at. So like the video yesterday we have for you. So the market, they found the support on the beginning of June. So this level where the market fell, they come back down, and after they go up, and then they pull back, retest, and they push it back up. And now the market came to this level here, and then they rebound. But technically, we are still in a downtrend, because right now, at this moment, you can see that even though we have a bounce today, but the trend is still down, the price is still below the moving average, and it's still below the trend line. So technically, the bear is still in control in the short-term correction here. So we have to be monitored carefully, okay? So don't jump in too fast, and then they will slam it down again until they give it a clear direction. The trend is going to break out and put it in the upside for the next move up. So we have to be a little bit careful, okay? Don't jump in too fast, and the market, it can roll over and go deeper. So if you are a day trader today, as you can see in our live trading room this morning when the market opened, so the market, they slammed them down, but after the breakout, the downtrend line, we are able to guide our members to take a trade from here straight up here, so that they can finish the quick money for the day trading. And after that, the market pull back down and retest. You can see that the whole night the market goes sideways, and then they break out, couldn't do it. They pull back out again. They retest the low, and after that they were able to put it higher and get another resistance at this level, and then they come down later. So if you are in our live trading room, you will see this kind of thing that happen every day, so that we can help our member to make some quick money for their trading. And after that, we turn around for a swing trading. And if you look at the Dow, the Dow is also trying to bounce back up from the support here. But they still have a lot of resistance here. They need to take over this line here to retest the Dow trend line here. Okay, so it still have a hard time to get through to the upside. So in the next couple of days, we want to monitor to see where the market is heading to. And the NQ, it also bouncing back up, but they not doing much. Technically, it's still in the bear side until they prove it. They'll be able to break out and go higher. The Russell 2000 is very weak, but they hold up very well at the 200-day moving average. They have a support here, so they try to rebound. Let's see if they'll be able to hold up at this level, or they will continue to go to the downside. Gold, it also pulled back to the support, but they go nowhere. Okay, the momentum is still negative. And oil, it tried to push it back up after they found a support here. But let's see if they're able to break out the downtrend line here. If they can break it, they will continue to push it up. Otherwise, they will slam them down again. Bond, it in the verb of trying to break out here, but they hit to the sell zone here. So if they coming down, the market will have a chance to push it higher. But if they go higher, then will be more up in the market. Let's see where they go. Euro, it also stabilize at this level here. They also break out here, so they try to find a momentum to put another leg higher, or they will continue to the downside. Bitcoin is also found a support yesterday. They break out, and now they continue to push it back up to the resistance up here waiting for them. Okay, so if you look at a lot of stock like Microsoft, they also found a support, but in order to prove that they be able to go higher, they have to break out the trend line here and break this level in order to go higher. Okay, Apple also found a support this morning, but again, okay, that still not show you that they were able to take a high in order to confirm the next leg up yet. And Amazon it also found a support, but again they still stuck into the downtrend line here. And a lot of stock that you see that they jump up the last couple of days, but today they people took profit like Nike, okay, and Zoom, that's another one. Okay, so yesterday the people were already warning the people were going to take the profit, and today they took some profit off the table. So right now we have to be a little bit careful to see when the market, okay, be able to show you that they are able to break a trend line here and revert to the upside before you get in the full position. So let's see how the market doing tomorrow and start from next week. And if we have another stimulus packet from the government come out, then hopefully that one will push it up. So let's see where they go. So thank you very much for watching. We will see you on the next video.